The scene is clear, the scene is safe, I am safe. The victim is safe.
Okay, approach. Kneel down. Check responsiveness.
Okay, are you okay? Okay, are you okay? Okay, are you okay?
Oh.
Call the bridge, we have one unconscious casualty here in Gali.
Okay, ABC.
Sa ano?
Okay, LLM position. Huwag nang ibalik-balik ha. In reality, huwag yan, ganyan. Kaya nga, nakalapat na yung noo dyan, naka-steady na yan. I-anchor mo na yung iyong elbow sa floor. Anchor, drop, yan. Okay, yan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, salat.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay.
Dismiss.
Space. Respiratory arrest.
Okay. Bigay. It's blow. Release. Count.
1, 2, 3, 1.
1.
1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 8. 1, 2, 3, 9. 1, 2, 3, 10. 1, 2, 3, 11. 1, 2, 3, 12.
LLM position. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Assessment.
The victim is the victim is now recovered.
Okay. Okay. So yun yun, di ba? Then, ano gagawin mo? Bring the victim to
Recovery position.
recovery
Position.